we know that this roar will never again be heard in the SINHARAJA forest. Legend says that in the past, lions lived in the SINHARAJA forest and that man killed them all to extinction. Whatever the things may be, SINHARAJA is an invaluable treasure. SINHARAJA Forest Reserve is considered one of the most important natural habitats in Sri Lanka. This majestic rainforest was deemed an international man and biosphere reserve in 1978 and deservedly designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1989. The forest offers a huge diversity of species, both flora and fauna, with a large proportion of those being indigenous to the country and some more specifically endemic to SINHARAJA itself. We think SINHARAJA is big forest, but it only has 11,187 hectares. What do we know about forest? We know Earth counts time in billions of years, and it took more than 4 billion years for it to grow trees. In the evolution of species, trees are a pinnacle, a perfect living sculpture. Trees defy gravity. They are the only natural element in perpetual movement toward the sky. They grow unhurriedly toward the sun that nourishes their foliage. They have inherited from those minuscule cyanic bacteria the power to capture light's energy. They store it and feed on it, turning it into wood and leaves, which then decompose into a mixture of water, mineral, vegetable, and living matter. And so gradually, the soil that is indispensable to life is formed. Soils are the factory of biodiversity. They are a world of incessant activity where microorganisms feed, dig, aerate and transform. They make humus, the fertile layer to which all life on land is linked. All living matter are linked: water, air, soil, trees. The world's magic is right in front of our eyes. Trees breathe out groundwater into the atmosphere as light mist. They form a canopy that alleviates the impact of heavy rains and protects the soil from erosion. The forests provide the humidity that is necessary for life. They are the mother and father of rain. The forests store carbon. They store all the atmospheric carbon in the world. They are the cornerstones of the climatic balance on which we all depend. Trees provide a habitat for 3/4 of the planet's biodiversity, that is to say, for all life on Earth. Every year we discover new species. We have no idea that they existed. These forests provide us with remedies that cure a number of ailments in man and animal. Our cells talk the same language, and our DNA and the DNA of trees is similar. Trees inhale the carbon dioxide exhaled by man and in return give us the much precious oxygen, thereby sharing the same destiny. No tree is growing by itself, it's a community. Every tree has connection with other trees. So if you fell one tree, you not only fell one tree, you destroy a whole community. Since our origin, water, air, and forms of life are intimately linked. But recently, we have broken those links. Natural law is a powerful regenerative process. Is a process of regeneration that continues endless. Everyone should respect law of nature, but if you think that you can change the laws of nature, you are bound to fail. And that failure gives you a lot of pain because Mother Nature has no mercy. It is only the law. You can't change Mother Nature, but you can change yourself. So it's time to get together. What's important is not what's gone, but what remains. We still have more than 50% of the SINHARAJA forest. We know that the solutions are there today. We all have power to change. So why are we waiting for?